loads, boys. Just look onto it. Barely even telling him even who's the wise man. A little thin in the paint. Could used another coat by the looks of it. Now it's in the daylight, for sure. You can always sand the whole box side and do it again. Not hurting nothing. But I gotta switch trailers around and friggin' monkey around like a stooge. And get a load ready, boys. Oh, you love taking loads. You love taking loads from Pug One, boys. You know what I mean? But yeah, how was your holidays? How was your holidays, boys? Oh, we're old, so I mean, we made her till midnight, but that was it. Hopefully, at least some of you got so drunk you hurt yourself. Pug One's a silverado stick now. Look, you can tell and stuff. That's enough. Not too bad. Tell me you wouldn't way rather drive that. Look at this. This is awesome. Okay. Here we go.
Turn right on Inwood Road.
As far as a 1500 type truck though, I'd say your silverado is probably your best bet. Because Ford, I mean, that's just nonsense. And Dodge, they get all type of problems with their engines and transmissions and all kinds of
1.3
nonsense.
kilometers. Turn left on Portrait Line.
I mean, Chevys do too, but like that engine's pretty simple. Way might have fixed the tracks. Well, maybe not. It's also maybe not too. Let's see. Not too bad. Only had to go around the block last time I was here, no big deal. But we made her, boys. Man, Crawdad showed up to Inwood to do cement work, and I'm not there. This weird new technology that came out with where you can communicate with people in different places. $17,020. 17,040. Oh no. Look at that. Holy shit. International Harvester. Fucking crew cab International Harvester, boys. That is a wicked awesome truck. That is pretty decent. Oh. Got to get the shot. Look at this guy. silverado towing the scrap trailer, boys. Friggin' decent. Friggin' decent, boys. Thought I spotted a Dodge box there. You got a fucking nice Dodge in the pile over there, and I thought, oh shit. Find a decent box for my rig here. The one that's on, it's not too bad. Oh, what do we got, boys? 11,500, right on the nose. 11,500. 11,520. Sure went down. Wait till it goes up and then hit the button. Oh, I did just pick up a new skid plate there and a speaker. This door speaker's rattling like a bastard, and I found to grab some parts. A new trailer hitch. New ones. Well, now that they're in here, they look significant bigger than they do outside or on the trailer. These stairs are going to end up coming out to here. That's no good. That's no good. Maybe not though too. I'll figure it out. I want to make like a landing right there and then have the stairs come down here. So, you know, I'll have to move all this shit, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's a project coming up here probably. Maybe not though, because those stairs are freaking huge. Got the high beam light working. It was just unplugged. The tail light. The tail light is not cooperating. The screw doesn't want to come out, or they use like a friggin' Phillips head friggin' Donecker screw for some reason, so that's dicked. And I gotta change the speaker in the door, and you gotta like pull off this little tab, pull off that, pull off this, pull off that, undo a whole bunch of screws, undo this thing there, there's 2 more screws there, and then hammer out, you know what I mean? It's like, wow, like they really wanted to make sure that door panel, and there's like cables and plugs and holy shit, man, you need to simmer down. How about you probably simmer down, maybe. Oh, I just want to get my subwoofer chooching. I don't want to friggin' spend all day doing it. But anyways, we'll get this done and then smoke some cigarettes. Want me to show you why I always drive around with rusty junk stuff in trucks, and my trucks are always rusty and junk? Because every time you go to work on it, look at it. Like a bro. So that's all under curtain, all over my sweater, my pantaloons. Rubbed it off the rocker on my pantaloons. Got a door speaker off a guy because this one was rattling, but it looks like we got the friggin' custom Peony upgrade big time. But it's the dollar store custom Peony upgrade, so it was a little rattly. The whole outer cone's friggin' coming apart, so I just epoxy glued it. I just give her a little glue a Peony there, a little friggin'. I'll just claw that off real quick, but greater scenario over here, boys. This bottom screw just won't come out, right? So try drilling it. You strip it out with the screwdriver first, and you try drilling it out, but it's all lopsided, right? So now we're in a predicament. I'm thinking I should just haul that off there and not use a bottom screw. But man, it'd be nice to just get imagine being able to unscrew a screw. Imagine they put like a 10 mil on there or something like that, and you could just like get onto it, just unscrew that son of a bitch. That'd be crazy. This is the screw. Bro. Are you serious? Now look. Hope you're happy. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to change your door speakers, add headlights where you're screwing the friggin' the box shot and stuff, fuse box. Just screw right into the fuse box, you'll fucks. You know what I mean? Air box, this right here. It's your fucks. But never change the oil. Don't do that. Nope. No, as long as you got good door speakers from Dollarama and friggin' your headlights are screwed into your air box and your fuse box. No need to be the Weisner boys, but anyways, guess I wouldn't have ended up with it if it wasn't for that type of shit, but man, that's dicked. That's fucking dick big time. Well, the bulb's not the problem, but it's got one of these fancy light strips under the tailgate there. It looks like they've tapped into this guy here and compromised a couple of the wires. This one's good. It's like 2 splices in an inch. But yeah, it's late and I don't have time. We'll have to get to that in the morning. Supposed to bring the truck in for final inspection. Got the headlight working, got the door speaker glued. I mean, that's not for safety, but you know, you're trying to drive and listen to the rockins and the rollins and freaking things buzzing in your ear. That's no good. But also forgot to pick up the bolts, because I told buddy, oh, I need the bolts. Okay, and then forgot. So that's cool. I don't know where any of the bolts I got are. I probably chucked them out, something like that. But we'll have to figure something out there. And then, oh, the O2 sensor. Yeah, again, latest frig. So I'll just leave it in the truck and they can deal with it. I got to put the tires and the rims in the back of the truck before I go in the morning too, and then that'll be awesome. But yeah, I quit. So how do you like them apples? But we got to do some measuring here for those. I mean, obviously they're for a higher deck, you know what I mean? It's for like a over 9-foot deck that's only 8 foot. So, but I mean, you know, we're only going to cut 2 steps off and then still be 87 feet long. But anyways, that'll have to be for another dirts because they're heavy as friggin'. I can't lift them by myself. So smoke cigarettes, I go.